Hi, welcome back to the workshop. Now if you look at this one here, this little kind of joining piece, you can see one flange is nice and clean. The other flange, again, looks like it's got signs of corrosion. Now if you look at the other end of the manifold where the exhaust exits, you can see there are little carbon deposits, basically soot where the exhaust has been leaking. Before I actually put everything back onto the car, I do need to clean those mating surfaces thoroughly, and rather than scraping, maybe a bit of blasting. Well, that aquablasting has done a beautiful job of actually cleaning off not only the mating surfaces, really what my job was, but also the rest of the manifolds here. Now obviously the copper is looking fantastic against the steel, but with the cast iron, I mean, it looks so much better. So I think what I'll do before I put it on the car is give it a nice coat of very high temperature paint.